Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm standing here today on a brand new trade-in we just got in, a 2018 Boston Whaler 42 Outrage. What a gorgeous boat this is. It's got all the features you're going to need. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by quad 350s. This boat is fast. Plenty of power in the back. Got a nice, big, comfortable bench seat in the back, which will pull up and act as a leaning post when you are fishing across the back. As we get over to this side, we've got the live well conveniently located here. And then the dive door, which does three things. You can board the boat directly from a floating dock. The ladder goes 4 steps down, easily and safe to get in. You get something to grab onto. And when you're catching fish, instead of bringing them over the gunnel where you lose them a lot of times, you can drag them right into the fish box. A really nice feature. And over here, we've got the summer kitchen. And we've got the Kenyan electric grill. You've got a refrigerator with a little small freezer box in it. Very large live well here. So now you got 2 really big live wells. So real nice. It's backlit with a window in it. Got a sink, a couple of drink holders. And as I'm going to close this down here. And then we got a really comfortable seat that folds up right over the summer kitchen. Lift this up. Very large seat back here. 3 or 4 adults comfortably. You've got 4 AC vents that get right on you here. You've got the sea deck on the floor. Very, very comfortable. Then triple seats in the back, so you get triple captain seats, which is real nice. And then you've got the triple touch Ray Marines, so you've got a beautiful, clean dashboard here. Digital throttle and shift. Trim to auto. You got the trim tabs with the active trim. You also have Seakeeper up there as well. One of the best features on this boat. Keeps you from doing. That's about all you're going to do on the rocket. You've got the joystick, which will make. I can take this boat. I can go sideways in any direction. I can get in any slip, anytime. Also gives you the sky hook, so you can wait for a slip. I can get all my fenders and lines out. You can point the bow at the sunset and just hit the sky hook, locks you right in. And then also it has the autopilot on it, which is good. It's a point and shoot. It's called auto heading, and another great feature. So the whole joystick thing is great. Now as we move to the cabin, we've got a really large cabin down there. You can set it up for entertaining down there, as well as sleeping. So a little kitchen area and a full walk-in head with a shower. So really nice cabin down below. And as we move to the bow, you've got a very large sun pad, so very comfortable. You can put 4 adults out here. You've got the armrest on there, so very comfortable. You've got the U-shaped seating up here. The table goes up. And it also has radar over the top. It's got basically everything you're going to need for real comfy for boating, and also really great fishing boat as well. So it does everything fantastic. So if you've got any questions, we'd like to come see it. My name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.